In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Shopify. Upload files to product page Shopify. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. You'll start on the main dashboard, where you manage everything for your store. From here, open the Products section on the left. This is where all your items live. Find the product you want to update and open it to get to the product editor. If you have a lot of products, use the search bar to locate it quickly by name or SKU. Inside the product editor, you'll see the product title, pricing, and the description box. We're going to add a file directly to this product page so customers can access it, which is perfect for things like size guides, care instructions, spec sheets, or downloadable PDFs you want to share. Click into the description field so your cursor is active. Then open the toolbar option that lets you insert content. Choose Upload File. This opens a file picker from your computer. Select the file you want to add and confirm. Shopify will upload it to your store's file library and prepare it for use on the page. Depending on your connection and file size, this may take a moment. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the file appear in the Insert panel. If you uploaded the wrong file, simply cancel and repeat the upload with the correct one. Otherwise, select the newly uploaded file so Shopify can insert it into the description as a clickable link. This link is what your customers will use to view or download the file on the product page. When you're happy with the selection, click Done to close the Insert panel. You'll now see the file link in the description editor. If needed, you can edit the link text to make it clearer, like download the size guide or view the product manual, and you can position it wherever it makes the most sense within your description. Before leaving the page, make sure to save your changes. Click Save at the top right of the product editor. Saving publishes the updated description and makes the file link live on your product page. A few quick tips as you work. Keep file names clean and descriptive so they're easy to recognize later. Use widely supported formats like PDF for documents and JPEG or PNG for images, and keep file sizes reasonable to ensure faster loading for your customers. If your brand voice is important, adjust the link text to match your tone. That's it. Your file is now uploaded and connected